Hi there, I'm here today to talk about online events. If you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner who has utilized event marketing to grow your business, then you want to listen up. Here's the thing, whether you hold events in person or virtually online, it is going to be so impactful for your business if you do it the right way and if you consider the right things. Hi there, my name is Lori A. Mans, and I'm with QualityMediaConsultants.com, where we help entrepreneurs and small business owners to get more dream clients, gain brand visibility, and grow revenue in record time, as well as cash flow. And so I'm one of the people who's used entrepreneurship and event marketing hand in hand. And so event marketing has helped me to grow my small business in numerous ways. And so I want to share 4 C's with you that you can use to consider when it comes to whether or not you should participate in online events or if you should host them yourself. So here it is. Number 1 is credibility. If you decide to attend an online event, then you need to look at the credibility of the event host or the company or organization putting on the event. And if you decide to host an event, then you want to make sure that your credibility is intact. The second C is connections. Well, here's what you need to do. You need to answer this question. Are there going to be solid business contacts that I can add to my network that will benefit me? And if so, it's a great indication that you should attend that event. And if you want to host an event, make sure that you have the right type of people that are going to benefit those people who are in your target audience. Now, the third C is content. Is it going to be a situation where the speakers are going to be talking about the content that's going to help you move the needle in your business? Is it going to help you grow in some way that perhaps you've been stuck before? What is the content that's going to be shared? And if it's something that you need enlightening on, mentorship on, or just wisdom on, then that's a good indication that you should attend that event. And on the contrary, if you're the one producing the event, make sure you have killer content to share for the audience. Now, the last C, the fourth and final, is conversions. And here's what I mean by that. What's the likelihood that you could get a new client if you attend that event? What's the likelihood that you could get a new opportunity if you attend that event? If it's a good one, then yes, that's a very good reason why you should attend that event. And finally, if you're trying to host your own event, then make sure that the conversions are there for people who will be your attendees. This has been Lori A. Mans. Thanks for watching. Leave in the comments below, how do you determine whether or not you should attend an event, whether it's online or offline? And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.